Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Back again with another video. And today I'm be doing an unboxing of some truly wireless earbuds. But you know what time it is. Before we get to that, let's get all this business and politicking out of the way, alright? If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. And tell a friend, alright? Now, we got all that business and politicking out of the way. Let's get to unboxing, alright? Today, I got an unboxing of another budget-friendly true wireless earbuds, the TWS-17 True Wireless Earphones, alright? By AudioSky. Let me tell you where you can get it from. You can get it from Amazon for the low price of $39.99 plus an extra 5% off, so you get them cheaper than that. You might get them for like 30-something bucks, you know, under that $39.99. So that's where you can get it from. Let me read a little something to you, little specs, whatever. It's wireless earbuds for Android, iPhone, Bluetooth 5.0, and headphones with a mic, so you can phone call, whatever they want to say. 72-hour cycle time, playtime audio paired with 3D stereo sound, cordless wireless earbuds. You know, that's what all it says. Let's get to the specs of it down here. Let's get to the specs. I'm trying to read this out to you guys. The specs. Well, just to look on the box, it's tailored to. Well, I can say that it is tailored to your left and right ear. Hi-fi sound. You can pause and read it for yourself. Lasting endurance, dual call, so you could use each button independently, which I've tried already. I've been trying these out. I just put them back in the box for the sake of the video. And emergency charger, built-in mic, activate Siri. Yes, it does that. I'm not finna even murder that word. Design and easy to link technology, which they are easy to sync to your phone. So let me see here. And they are very comfortable. I mean, it seemed like they were just made exactly for your ear, which, you know, I know they made exactly for my ear, but I mean, it's like, it fits right in your ear. It's got like a 2,000 mAh battery. Like I said, playtime up to 72 hours, which I didn't try 72 hours. Comes in a case. 33 feet connection. Yes, it does have a good connection. I think I got about a little bit over 30 feet connection when I was using them. And easy, like I say, easy to pair, whatever. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys up so you can see what we're talking about. Get them out of the box. Toss that. Don't need that. See what you get in the box. You know, got your books and all that, and a little after sale guarantee card. You pause that, read it for yourself. You know, about the little company and their VIP benefits. You know, we don't need that right now. Toss that to the side. Here's the earbuds itself. Like I said, I've been using them. I just didn't take the plastic off because I wanted to test them out before I did the video. Let's go ahead and see what else we got in the box here. You get a you know, you can't complain. It ain't USB-C, it's micro USB, so you get a micro USB cord that comes with it. But like I said, under 50 bucks, you really can't complain too much. And a lot of these budget earbuds are really, you know, some very, outstanding earbuds. I mean, they're pretty decent for the price. You know, they give them the expensive earbuds, just like $200-300 earbuds that run for their money. You know, for what you're getting for the price. Let's see here. You got your earbuds in here, and you have another adapter in here. So you get, let me see, 1, 2, 3 sets of little earbuds. I mean, little ear tips, and then you got a micro USB adapter. Let me see what this is for, because what I'm thinking, that's for, you could use the charging case as a charger. Quick pairing, Yes, yes. Provide additional charging for up to 18 hours of earbuds. Yes. Yep, and it says it right here. Pause and read it for yourself. You could use the case, and that the feature I didn't see. You could use the case as a portable charger to charge your cell phone. That's why you have this adapter in there. So that's a neat feature. Now you look at there, you see, and you're getting something like this for under 50 bucks. You could use this. I mean, you ain't got to carry a power bank around. You just keep your cord. You get your if you got a newer phone, you could get your USB, your micro USB-C adapter put on there. Bam, you only got to carry. This is all you got to carry with your adapter. You know what I'm saying? Put this on there. Bam, you good to go. You know what I'm saying? Charge your phone and your earbuds. Now that's gonna take away from your playtime, but you know, from your phone, from your earbuds. But you know, you in a squeeze and you need to charge your phone. Bam, and let's go around the case. It's a little cheap plastic case, you know, kind of big. Let me see what I got to compare it to. My Jaybird runs right here, so it's bigger than that. So kind of big case, but you gotta think about it. It's got a 2,000 mAh battery in here that, you know, you can go ahead and charge your cell phone up. Now, one thing I will say right out the box, you know, it's like a little clear case. It was kind of confusing. One of the things I didn't like about these was that they're backwards. This is the right and this is the left. Now, you know, at me looking at it, I would think take these out and I put it in my ear like that. That's not the case. And I was like, what's going on? Am I put them in there wrong? And I looked at it again. I said, wait a minute. And I put it in. I was like, okay, yeah. So they're backwards. They're not like other earbuds where you take it out, go right to this side, and then right to that side. No, you have to reverse. You got to swap them out. So that's the one thing I didn't like. Maybe you just got to open a case like this and take them out, and then that way you put them in there, you know, correctly. But you still got to turn them upside you know, down, you know, to put them in there, because I mean, these fit like flushly in your ears. But other than that, here, let me take the earbuds out so you can see it. And it's magnetized, so they're not going to fall out. Not going to fall out. You see what they look like? Play and pause, the power button. Play and pause. You got your little microphone right here, and it does have labeled left. You see, it's right. Now see, I got them in my hand. This is how they came out of the package, right? They came out like this, and you can see that's the right, and this is the left, which it should be reversed the other way. You know, take them out of the package. It's kind of confusing, but you know, other than that, you know, but you got to keep looking at it at the price point you're paying. You're paying under 50 bucks. In this case, you're paying $39.99 with another 5% off. So let's see, you know, you're paying close to almost 35 bucks. So you're paying under 40 bucks for, you know, some decent Bluetooth earbuds. Got the play and pause. There's a double tap. You know, the skip tracks and, you know, press and hold, turn it off. Now, as far as sound quality, they're not the sound quality as like some Samsung Galaxy Buds or some Sennheisers or something like that. You know, they're decent for the price point. They are decent. Now I did, as far as Bluetooth 5.0, I did notice just a tad of lag on them when I was watching some YouTube videos on my tablet. I had a the 10.5 iPad Pro, and I did notice a little bit of lag, but not much, you know, but a little bit of lags. But other than that, as far as music wise, they don't get as loud as like my Jaybird runs. But you got to look at it. You're paying under 40 bucks, not let them 50, but you pay under 40 bucks for these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? You know, as far as, you know, they don't have that loud bass, but they have just enough bass, and it's good for listening to music. It's pretty decent for the price point. Like I said, these bunch of earbuds, they keep amazing me every time. You know, I try another earbud. I'm like, these things sound good for that small price point. And usually you're paying to hear something, you know, some earbuds with, you know, decent sound quality. You're usually paying, you know, 100 and something bucks. Like say the AirPods, you're paying 150 bucks for the the AirPods, then you might be paying $200 if you want the wireless charging case. This right here doesn't have the wireless charging case, but for $39, you can use the case to charge your cell phone. If you get in a crunch and you run low on juice on your phone, use the case. Plug this one in here. Bam. Plug your power cord in here, and if you got your USB-C adapter to put on there, so if your phone uses USB-C, bam. Or you got an Apple phone, you want to put your lightning adapter on there, bam. You got a battery charger. Not only do you got earbuds, but you got a power bank to charge your device up. I mean, come on now. For the price point, you're gonna have to sacrifice something, and usually something like this with all these kind of features, you're gonna easily pay, over $100 for something to have all these different features to it. So for $40, I highly recommend these for $40 with all you get to it. You know what I'm saying? And something like this at this price point, if you lose it or you break it outside or something like that, you're not gonna be all upset and angry, and out of a lot of money because you didn't spend too much on them. So that's a plus right there. That's a plus for what you get. So yeah, I recommend these bad boys. Like I say, the higher the volume goes, like I said, the sound quality is okay. It's not on par with, like, say, the Galaxy Buds or the Samsung Galaxy Buds or the Power Beats or whatever. But for the price point, I think this is a go for the price point. Now, would I say, go out, you looking for some earbuds and you ain't trying to break the bank? Yeah, go and pick these bad boys up. You ain't got nothing to lose. Like I say, you're getting a power bank plus you're getting earbuds. What wireless earbuds? Come on, man. Come on. So yeah, I would recommend these bad boys. All right. If you have any questions, leave your questions down there in the comment section, and I'm gonna leave a link to these bad boys in the description box below. If you have any questions, anything I left out, and I know I'm rushing real quick because I got a little busy schedule and I'm rushing through it. But you got any more questions or something I left out? I know I left out probably a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to bring you these real quick, put the video out for you guys so you guys check them out. Like I said, I've used these all week, and I'm pretty satisfied with them. I'm pretty satisfied with it. What I'm saying, for the price point. Like I say, you got a lot of people around your house, whatever. People want to need some earbuds here and there. I always keep some earbuds on deck. I got plenty of them. So, like, hey, here you go. Somebody needs some juice. Bam. Plug up here. Got some juice. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's a little bit of quick unboxing. Like I said, I know I left a lot of stuff out. But like I said, I have no problems with them. I've been using them constantly all week, testing them out. Before I did the video, I just put them back in the box for to do the video, show you guys what everything come out of the box. But yeah, they work pretty decent for me. So, like I say, this has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. And like I said, if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. For our new videos. If you got anything out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like it, hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Alright? And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? Like I say, subscribe. Tell a friend. Like I said, the message for the day. Let's see what the message for the day is. Let's see here. Message for the day. I'm looking in the box like the message for the day is in the box, right? Nah. Message for the day is be more compassionate to people. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, you be more compassionate and nice to people. You tend to being compassionate builds bridges. People tend to want to gravitate to you, be more kind and go out of the way for you if you be more compassionate to them versus being angry and mean. You be angry and mean, they ain't gonna get you nowhere. Anybody won't be bothered with you. But if you show them a little more compassion, people be more outgoing towards you and doing things for you and helping you out, and just doing things just in general, nice, being nice to you because you're being compassionate and nice. So be more compassionate. That's the message for today. All right, this has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Subscribe, and I'm out. Drop the mic. One of these days I'm gonna get a mic so I can drop the mic. And I'm out. Peace.